What's up, everybody? This is ADHDDucky, and I beat Izzy in the last episode, if you did not know this. So, we now have to beat Lou. Big Lou. I'm hoping he will become a big loser. Right. Let's see. We shall do a sprint. And you're doing me in. You can already see my car, but guess what? You haven't seen it completely. I like it. I don't think anything bad about it. So, you can hate on it all you want. Guess what? I don't care. It's pink! And the pink car is awesome! I like my car. I get to take the lead now. Oh, damn. Underneath the lighthouse. Let's see. I have not done a video in a while because I've been busy. My father finally came home after a long damn while. And I missed my dad. I missed him a lot. So, if you are waiting for a video of mine, I'm sorry. Because I was busy helping my dad and stuff. So, yeah. Sorry about that. Burger King sponsored this. Yeah, actually they did sponsor it. Who else sponsored it? I can't remember who, but still. Wow! Fuck! My curse. Well, that was weird. So, what the fuck? My car went inside, folks. So, yeah. Thank God we didn't go belly side up and you know, crap like that. That would have sucked a lot more. But it was still just as bad, which, yeah. I know. Easy, buddy. Okay. This part, I hate this area. This part underneath here. And if you go to the right too much, you will hit that wall, and I hit that. So, yep, I need to win this sprint, or else I'm going to have a problem. Yeah. You did that on purpose, you jackass. Whee! And the pink car goes through the wall. I'm gonna have a problem. I'm gonna hit that problem. And we're facing against the Iceman. Oh god, he's gonna kill us. We're gonna die a horrible ice pick to me death. I'm not gonna win this. I'm not gonna win. I lost. I've already came in third. God damn it. I don't like that. So, yeah. I'm not going to attempt it. I'm not attempting a second try of it. I'm just going to do what I think would be best. So, instead of attempting it like a freaking aneurysm would, you know, be like, let's just do one of these instead. I do not feel like having a headache right now. I just want to just beat it and play the game and have some fun with it. And it kind of, I don't want it to be a jerk to me at all. It's nice when the game doesn't do that. And it's nice when the game is friendly to you. When it's mean to you, it sucks. You're like, how? Why? What'd I do? Deserve this. But I digress. Sharp turn. And yeah, I did that not as well as I wanted to do, but oh well. So, I'm gonna see if I can do a little bit more cutting in my videos. So, yeah. That way I don't have problems. All these are actually live. Freaking recordings, and it's not easy sometimes for me because my brain likes to think about this thing, then jump to the other thing, but I can't do that well. Multitasking, I can't do it when it comes to thinking. So others can do it, I can't completely, but I don't care. I just want to play this game and have some fun with it, and crap. I believe my last video, I think I was really, I heard my friend told me something one day, and it kind of got to me a little bit, but still, I was, you know, in that area for some reason. I don't know where I was going with it at all. So, yeah. What the fuck am I saying? I'm trying to have some fun with this right now. I'm trying to also not get my car messed the fuck up. Oh, fuck. Yay, okay. That was really weird. I stopped talking for some reason. So, yeah. I upgraded the Supra, which is this car, apparently. And, well, I'm really happy that I did because I really like this car, and I checked, Izzy's car. My car was better still, and she lost. I'm trying to figure out what the fuck. Why is there's something on the hood of my car? I think it's stuck in the grill of my car. Oh my god. What the fuck?
Attention Cal 2, a wanted suspect associated
with my car
was just reported northbound on Cannery Way. Available units to clear and start up.
Alright, whatever. Shut up, drop. I don't care. We're up on 7 minutes. So, can I be heard? I want you. Alright, that one was staying here. So, we're just gonna do a circuit light race now, which is fun. I like circuit races. I say they are the foundation, I believe, of races. So yeah. I checked on the decal that came with the what is it? Like performance thing. You know, you get this, or like the design paint thing. I got was sort of nothing special. I'm guessing it's you unlock. You can use it to get this certain type of decal early, but I try to show the against it to, cause God, I'm having a lot of problems. So, you know what? Let me stop that. So, but. Oh, I'm hoping I don't hit the top thing. Oh my god! I almost did. Not good. I'm trying to get better at videos, but I've been busy with other things, with work and crap like that. And I'm trying to get some support from some friends that tell people, but I kind of like to have some friends of mine, some people who, you know, if you watch my videos, you know, if you mention me, then thank you so much. I'll probably give you a shout out. I want to get out there and, you know, have people, you know, hear me. I don't want to be stupid forever, which is not a good idea. And this lap is going to take forever. God, this is freaking huge ass great lap. How long did you say this? The best time was for this? 2 minutes? Oh my god. Go forward! Down the road now. My pink Supra will not be beaten, motherfucker! Very nice one. Nice for it already. Let's see. Okay, there we go. We're in the 2 minutes on this one lap. Oh my god, what the hell? Let's see. I haven't played this for a while. I haven't played at all. I'm basically just, you know, trying to get better at some other things. I've already thought about a future game or something I can do during, even when I'm still playing Most Wanted. And well, I'm not looking forward to it as much as I'm betting some people would. But when I get the chance to work on it, which will probably be tomorrow, I will do a recording of it, and you will probably hear me freak out a little bit. So yeah, screensaver, being a dick. Not good. Okay. I'm having problems with this asshole, and this guy's on my tail. Oh my god, I paused there because I freaked out when I saw the van. The hair on my lip is bothering me. My mustache is tickling my face. Damn it. Not good. Which is not a good thing. It kind of bothers me because I don't like it when my mustache does that kind of stuff. It tickles my face or anything. It bothers me. Which really is a bad thing for me because I hate it. Let's see. Gosh. I don't really have anything really special to talk about these games, which is really kind of a sad thing. I kind of need to do something like that. I need to focus on the game and crap like that. And get your green ass back here. Get your green ass back here, you jackass. Oh my god, I'm not gonna win this one. Oh, come here. Come here. Oh, what the hell are you doing? What? Are you fucking... You're a... Okay, he had a plan apparently. Fuck you, Nightspeed. Your car's not black. Oh god. Alright. So, I'm gonna end it here because I am at a limit, and plus, I'm not gonna rage right now. I'm gonna freak out in this video because I did 2 episodes ago. So, this is gonna be ADHDDucky going to bed and taking a chill pill. So, bye!